In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Canva subscription. Whether you've decided to explore other design tools or simply don't need the service anymore, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the cancellation process with ease. First things first, let's head over to canva.com. Once you're on the site, make your way to the upper right corner of the homepage where you'll see the login button. Click on that and here you have a couple of login options. You can use either your Google account, Facebook profile, or simply log in using your email credentials. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, it's crucial to double check that you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or collaborate with different teams. Mistakenly cancelling a subscription from the wrong account could lead to unnecessary hassles. Next, we need to navigate towards the settings. Start from your home screen in Canva, locate the menu option and give that a click. From the drop down, tap on settings to proceed. It may take a few seconds to load, but from here you'll be closer to managing your subscription settings. Within the settings menu, direct your attention to the left hand side where you'll find options including billing, or sometimes labelled as billing and plans. Click on that and you'll be brought into the section where all of your billing information and subscription plans are neatly displayed. This is where we want to be. Now in this section, look for your active Canva subscription. What you will need to do next is locate the three vertical dots, also known as the options menu, situated right next to your subscription details. This is a common feature on many platforms, offering additional actions. Clicking on these dots unveils a handy drop-down menu with several options. Among these, select Cancel Plan. This option is what you're looking for to initiate the cancellation. The process isn't over yet. Canva will likely prompt you to confirm your decision. You might be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. Take your time to go through any additional instructions or verification steps. This is their way of ensuring that you truly want to proceed and haven't mistakenly entered this process. Once confirmation is complete, a final message will indicate that your subscription has been successfully cancelled, reassuring you that future billing will cease. Remember, you can always sign up again if you decide to return to Canva in the future. And that's it, you've successfully cancelled your Canva subscription. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials and tech tips.